free. Traveling down a lonely road, no place to go, nothing else to see. Big silver bird, won't you fly me away? I've been here for much too long now. Take me to a brighter day. Well, I've been down on my knees and crying in the rain. I've lived the hard times, I felt the pain. I wanna go where the sun is high, leave my cares and fly to the sky. Big silver bird, won't you fly me away? I've been here for much too long now. Take me to a brighter day. Big silver bird, won't you fly me away? I've been here for much too long now. Take me to a brighter day. Singing my songs in a rundown bar ain't a place for a girl like me. People don't listen, they don't even care. They're so drunk that they can't see. Then a voice loud and clear rang through the air, and silence fell upon the room. Give a listen to the lady with the long dark hair. She's trying to sing you a tune. And then he said, someday you're gonna be famous. One day you'll be a star. Someday someone will hear you, and lady, you should go far. Took my songs down to Music City. I was traveling on a 1 week's pay, hoping when I crossed the Tennessee line I'd be there to stay, with the wild dream of being well known, to see my name on a neon sign. My thoughts flashed back to a rundown bar, and these words ringing in my mind. Someday you're gonna be famous. One day you'll be a star. Someday someone will hear you, and lady, you should